Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are well. In this video you will get an idea of present perfect tense, that is lesson number 4, unit 1, Oxford Progressive English 5 and page number 6. Present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that has taken place many times or once before now. This tense is frequently used to talk about experiences or changes that has taken place already. This tense is formed using the auxiliary verbs has or have plus past participle, that is third form of verb. The examples you can see on your screen. Dan has gone shopping. In this sentence you can see has is highlighted with a blue, that is auxiliary verb, and the sentence that bears the auxiliary verb has should always be of present perfect tense, and it also follows a verb that is past participle gone, third form of verb go. The sentence Dan has gone shopping shows a completed action. Another example is the situation has changed. This is also a completed action. Okay, now another example. They have gone ballooning. Here we have another verb, have, another auxiliary, have, and also the same third form of verb, past participle, gone. The auxiliary verbs are highlighted with the blue color, and the past participles are highlighted with purple. This sentence, they have gone ballooning, also shows a completed action. They have gone. This is a completed action. You have done your work. You have also completed your task. You have also finished your work. The sentences that express completed task belong to present perfect tense. Here you can ask me a question. Why to use has with then and have with they? Or why to use has with the situation or have with you? A good question. Move to the next slide. That is where to use has and where to use have. You can see we use auxiliary verbs according to the subjects. And we already know that a subject could be a noun or pronoun. In case of has, we have the subjects he, she, it, or any singular noun that, for example, Ali, Ubaid, the school, etc. Whenever any of these comes at the subject position, we will use has in place of auxiliary verb. And when do we use have? When we have the subjects like I, we, you, they, or any plural noun. For example, the students, boys, players, etc. Now, are you clear about the use of has and have? Where to use has and where to use have? I hope you are clear now. And you also have understood what is present perfect tense. We will recall it. Present perfect tense shows completed action, finished tasks, complete sentences. It means that we talk about the actions that are completed, finished. The structure or formation of present perfect tense bears a subject, auxiliary verb has or have, and third form of verb or past participle and an object. Here we have another two examples. Look at the picture. It's of baby. He's sleeping. He has slept. So we can say the baby has slept. The task is completed. He has slept. Second picture is of a family. They are holding the keys in their hand. It means they have bought a new house. The action is also completed here. The process of buying the house is finished. They have bought it. So the completed action comes under present perfect tense, and the structure goes like the subject, has, and past participle. The subject, have, and past participle. Now, you have got three pictures. One is of a broken chair, second is a hurt finger, and third is a fallen bus. You are going to make sentences of them. Look at the pictures. The actions are completed. The process of breaking the chair, hurting the finger, and falling off the van is completed now. Make their sentence according to the pattern that you have seen in previous examples. Make sentences using the words break, hurt, and fall. Okay. You have got another exercise. Complete the sentences by putting correct form of verb. We dash by a new lamp. Of course, we are talking about present perfect tense, and you are going to complete the sentences according to present perfect tense. We buy a new lamp. The verb is buy. You are going to use the auxiliary verb has or have according to the information you have got in this lesson. As we use have with the subject we have and past participle of buy. We have bought a new lamp. In this way, you are going to complete the rest of 6 sentences. He, the verb is right, 5 letters. School, not start. This is a negative sentences. Okay, I will do it for you. School has not started yet. School is a singular noun, so we will use the auxiliary verb has with it. And when making the negative sentences, we put not always after auxiliary verb and before the main verb. School has not started yet. Next sentence is it, verb is drink, the water. You, seen the movie, the army, attack the city. They stay in the cave. Here you can stop the video. Take your time, complete these sentences. When you are finished completing your sentence, resume the video and look at the answers and compare it with your work you have done on your notebooks. I hope you now understand what is present perfect tense. Can you tell me what you have learned today? Are you now able to explain present perfect tense to others? I hope you have learned and you have understood what we have discussed in this video. Hope we will meet soon, inshallah. Take good care. Allah Hafiz.